Supreme Court recently faced a unique legal challenge involving multiple habeas corpus petitions filed by the children of former President Rodrigo Duterte, Sebastian, Paulo, and Veronica. Rather than handling each petition separately, the court decided to consolidate them into a single proceeding. This move was intended to prevent conflicting rulings and streamline the judicial process. By bringing all related petitions under one roof, the court ensured that the case would be handled efficiently and consistently. This consolidation marks the beginning of a high-profile legal battle, setting the stage for a unified approach to the complex issues at hand. As the proceedings move forward, all eyes are on how the court will balance the interests of justice and due process. In a decisive move, the Supreme Court directed several top government officials, including Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Ramallah, Interior Secretary Johnvic Ramallah, and PNP Chief Rommel Marble, to respond within 24 hours. The court demanded that these officials explain why a writ of habeas corpus should not be issued in Duterte's case. This urgent order underscores the seriousness of the petitions and the need for swift government accountability. The officials are now required to justify their actions regarding Duterte's arrest and transfer, ensuring that every step taken by authorities is subject to judicial scrutiny. This phase of the case highlights the court's commitment to transparency and the rule of law. The heart of the Supreme Court's review is the question of whether Philippine authorities acted lawfully in cooperating with the International Criminal Court's warrant and Duterte's transfer to The Hague. The petitions argue that Duterte's constitutional rights were violated, raising due process concerns similar to those often cited against his own anti-narcotics campaign. Despite the urgency, the court did not immediately order Duterte's release or return. Instead, it treated the petitions as urgent, but required the government to justify its actions before making a final decision. This careful approach reflects the court's dedication to upholding due process, ensuring that both the rights of the accused and the integrity of the legal system are protected as the case unfolds.